formality to sign.
Come friend, sir. My sir here.
All right. I've come here for the formality of signing the affidavits which we are filing for a case against the newspaper Andhra Jyoti for falsely saying that the TTD website is now putting Jesus Christ's ideas and photo. No such thing happened. This was brought to their notice by way of warning that we would have to go to court. They ignored it, probably because Andhra Jyoti thinks that they got the support of Chandrababu Naidu. But Chandrababu Naidu has no support at all. You saw that from the elections. So we have decided, I feel very strongly, because Tirupati is a family deity for us. My mother prayed to Lord Venkateswara that I be born. And so I think this kind of slanderous propaganda, which creates enmity between two religions also, this has to be sued for damages. So the TTD itself felt that because they are the petitioners, I'm just going to be the lawyer arguing the matter. They wanted 100 crores as damages. So we have filled the necessary fees so that 100 crores could be demanded. So today my signature was necessary at some places as the advocate presenting the petition, and that is why I've come. Although it is a holiday, I know I was told last night that it is a holiday. I said we are only coming for the signature. We are not coming for a court appearance. So I've come here for this purpose. I'd like to say that so far, even though I am regarded as a Hindutva spokesman and in fact I've been given an award as a Hindu Samrat, Hindu Hriday Samrat, that is one who by heart is regarded as the emperor of Hinduism. Because of the fights I've put up to free temples, in fact even in Tirupati I want them to be freed. That case is pending in the Andhra High Court. I've already got one order, which I'm happy to say it was a consent order, because the Jagan government agreed with me that the accounts should not be made by government but by the CAG. So that proposal we have filed as a joint as a consent order. So that has now become pakka, that henceforth starting with last 5 years, all the accounts of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam would be audited by CAG. This is bad news, of course, for Chandrababu Naidu, because it is most of his period would be also covered in this. Also Jagan's period, but his period too. And I think the money belongs to the people. It can't be used for Hajj, and it can't be used for any other purpose, or for salaries of bureaucrats who come here, do nothing but collect the salaries. Temples should be administered, as the Supreme Court said in my famous case, Sabhanayakar Nataraj Temple versus the state of Tamil Nadu, that is Subramaniam Swamy versus the state of Tamil Nadu, on the question of the takeover by the Tamil Nadu government of the Sabhanayakar Nataraj Temple. And the Supreme Court held that it is no business of the government to manage temples. Yes, if the temple management has misused the funds of the temple, then the government should hold an audit first, prove it that there is a prima facie case, and then temporarily, for less than say 3 years, take over and improve the financial management and return it back to the trustees again to manage the finances of the temple. This is in violation. Today, 4 lakh temples are in the control of the governments and state governments. and this is against no churches, no mosques are in the hands of the government. Only the Hindu temples are targeted, the latest being the BJP's takeover of 53 temples including Badrinath and Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. I went in court. Court gave me half the demand I demanded. One is that the treasury, the jewels, everything will not be in the hands of the government, but in the hands of the trustees, the pujaris. But I've still gone to the Supreme Court to say it should be removed, and both Mr. our Sarsang Chalak of the RSS, Mohan Bhagwat, Ram Dev, and a large number of luminaries, including and then myself, we addressed the Hindu Dharma Acharya Sabha Sammelan in Delhi on the question of temples, and we unanimously ruled that the takeover in Uttarakhand is against the principles of Hindus, against Hindutva. That I don't see Chandrababu Naidu raising his voice. He should ask for freeing all temples from government control. During his time, he never agreed with it. I had to fight a case on gold plating, and I had to stop it by going to court. In Tirupati gold plating, where the TTD board that time decided to do it, and we stopped. So, liberating the temples is my work. But I am surprised, in the name of Hindus, all kinds of incidents are sent to me saying that this has appeared in this paper, this has appeared in this paper. There's a cross inside the Tirupati. There are about 30% of the employees now are Christians. All rubbish. And whether Mr. Jagan is a Christian or not is no concern to us under the Constitution. If he is working under Hindu interest, please tell me which are theirs. Just propaganda we cannot accept. And therefore, I think it is necessary to make an example. And Andhra Jyoti was the limit in telling lies. And therefore, notice was given. They have ignored it. And therefore, we will fight it in court, both as a criminal case. And the criminal case would be, of course, in creating enmity between communities, Section 153 and 295, etc., which are very serious offences. And in terms of dues that should be paid, that we'll do as a civil litigation, which I myself will come and appear on behalf of the TTD because they want me to appear, and I filed the necessary certificate for it, which we have come today. I'm signing that, and so I'll see you quite often. And so for today is so much. If there's any other questions you want to ask.
Do you have 100% trusted Hindus are working in TTD? There is no other community, other castes?
As far as the religious duties is concerned, only Hindus are working. If somebody brings a lorry with supplies, and I don't ask his religion.
TTD employees also already converted to Christian, lot of people.
That is your allegation. Give it to me in writing.
Sir, already?
Give it to me in writing.
Okay.
I don't want your oral this thing, because I don't know whether you're telling a lie or not.
Sir, are you
Or you
putting a
misinformed.
case against BJP person who done dharna and...
No, that is not my work.
No, sir.
That is the
what
work
I am
of the
asking
president.
Sir, please listen what I am
Yeah,
asking.
okay.
That day that in website,
Yeah.
in Tirupati, BJP people also done dharna and they have
So?
press meet and they
So?
also alleged TTD
So?
about the website.
So?
Are you putting any case against the BJP?
No, why should I? The BJP has a disciplinary party cell of its own. It should be brought to their notice. I don't know where they did it. Just because you say it, I don't know who's
Then
done
why
it.
you are alleging that only one paper? Because the BJP alleged the news was covered by the paper because of the BJP
No,
person's
that is
allegations.
not correct. That is not correct. I filed the paper cutting. There's no reference to BJP in that at all.
If any reference for you, if you will withdraw your case.
What do you mean? I will reference. There's a later reference. I can't withdraw what they did originally. Let them argue in the court that we were misled by the BJP. But even misleading, publishing without checking is also part of the defamation.
The TTD chief also agreed
What?
there is some technical problem is there. That's why in search it's coming like
I
that.
don't know who agreed what. I have been in the role of an advocate, given the facts, and I have prepared the brief. It's going to be filed, and we will argue in court. So you don't argue with me because you are
No, so
you're a
I'm not
layman.
arguing. I'm taking the.
I've told you already. I have no information whether BJP did or did this. I have read the Andhra Jyoti, which has got translated for me. Also, they have a Tamil edition, I'm told, and that extracts have been sent. I put them all in my brief, and there is no reference to BJP provoking this.
Okay, provoking the other communal violence. A lot of content is in YouTube also. Are you
I don't go by
are you
YouTube. I don't go by YouTube. If somebody has made an allegation and that allegation is untrue, the person affected should file a case. In this case of Andhra Jyoti, it was a direct assault on TTD because they said TTD website is carrying this.
Yes, sir. The social media also.
I don't go by social media, sir. I participate in social media. Don't teach me the law. And don't try and say that I should do this, I should do this. I don't.
No,
I am
I am
making
not
an example of Andhra Jyoti so that others don't do what they do.
Is there any other media organization in the list?
No, not yet.
All papers covered.
But
that
Andhra Jyoti's example will be example for all.
That news was
to
carried
know.
by all the magazines. All
I
the
don't
news
care
channels.
whether these are all stale arguments which have been rejected in court many times. Somebody said, oh, he told me, so I repeated it. Court said, we don't care. You said it. Yes or no? Whatever may be your source. And they said yes. And they have been prosecuted. That is why I have never lost a defamation case in my life.
Already TTD released itself. Non-Hindus are working.
I am not. I'm talking about religious activities again. What do you mean? If somebody is carrying a bori of washed cutlery, I will not say that you can't do it. Somebody brings the truck, he brings the provisions from the market. He's a Christian. I can't stop it. I won't stop it. It's unconstitutional. Only in the religious functions or any religious symbols of another religion appear in Tirupati, I'll take it up.
No, so, sir, so many videos also.
I don't go by videos. I go by evidence.
Video
In the
also
case,
evidence,
again you're diverting. I have filed it against the Andhra Jyoti. Let them defend themselves and give these ridiculous arguments and see what happens. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.